Okay, again.
Hey, look. Another caterpillar. Huh? Okay. The caterpillar, dude. Looks like she's gonna faint. See? Oh, blind. Blind all.
Wendy.
His name is Aaron. He has a salmon here in town, so that's why you're out here searching for an oasis.
Yes, I have to hurry and find food, otherwise my family won't survive. But I don't know if I can go on.
Popcorn nga?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Hold on, Aaron.
It is Littledino.
Shane, where are you? Over there. The oasis.
Di ba kasi nakabuka na gano'n, di ba?
Littledino's watching Littledino's watching TV.
Coming now!
Yeah, and I keep on recording this.
Hey, move over a bit. I got a rhythm going here.
It's just pop. Did you just hear that? It's just like go. Amazing,
I've never
folks.
been this happy.
This oasis is pretty romantic, huh?
Sure, I guess.
So, how many kids you want to have? You married?
Yes.
And will you then take this caterpillar to be your wife, even if she
Oh my goodness!
or a bird, or a
What?
bacteria, who love and be cherished?
Me too.
Art.
Yes,
Yes.
that is just my aunt. Oh my goodness!
Okay, now,
Oh my goodness, folks! Did you see that? With that popping popcorn? Oh, we only take like 40 seconds.
Man, it's been a while. Man.
It's just like 30 seconds. So guys, we're taking...
hey, why are you eating caterpillars?
So folks, this is the first time that we have to make a video by making our pop. This is the first time that we just got the video in real life. But you guys remember from the Minecraft video that you just guys saw? That was amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's done.